You know, you guys ever just ask yourselves, have I ever reviewed a bathroom in IKEA? The answer, no! I haven't!
Whoa, why are you recording me this, dude, again?
It looks kind of bad, actually. The lighting's really annoying. The tiles are generic. Toilet, meh. You know, let's see how the flushing works. Here, let me. Okay.
Oh, fuck.
That didn't flush properly. Okay.
Why are you recording this bathroom, sir? Sir, why are you recording the bathroom?
Oh shit, oh fuck, I fucking come all over the place.
Hey, you see what, like, Andrew?
Oh yeah, this is a no for me.
No. You need paper towels.
Exactly.
Now I have these wet hands.
Yes.
See, I don't fall.
But there's a trash can for no reason.
I don't fuck with that.
Wait, what?
Andrew. No, I'm gonna leave you there. Hi.
These things spread germs. You poop, fucking fecal matter and piss gets stuck in these.
Andrew.
And why would you wash your hands and then fucking resaturate
Andrew.
fucking shit?
You're fired.
Alright, I'm gonna give this
You're
a.
fired from reviewing bathrooms for 3 months.
It's still 4 out of 10.